Hello, and welcome to the Design Center of stgeorgenow.com as well as saltlakeutnow.com. Throughout this page, you'll notice that we're asking for a ton of information, and the reason we're asking for so much information is we want to know exactly what you want, where you want it, where you want it placed, and so there's no confusion. So let's get started. One of the first things that I do before I build a website is I get all my preparation stuff together. And what I mean by that is I'll go down to the bottom of the page here and open up like a Microsoft Word document, and I'll get my home page together, my content for the home page, my second page, my third page, and my fourth page. And the reason I do that is once I get all this information together, all I have to do is copy and paste and put it where it needs to go instead of just trying to write it in on the website. Another thing that I do, let me downsize this, is I get all my pictures together. If you go through this thing here, let me downsize this. I'll show you. I put all my pictures on a folder. I call it the project folder on the desktop, and I name my pictures picture 1, page 1, picture 2, page 2, picture 3, page 3, and so on. The reason I do that is it helps me keep track where I'm putting what pictures. I'm going to downsize this, and I'm going to open that back up. Here we go. Uh, if you go down to the bottom of this page, I'll go down here real fast, you'll notice that right here you'll have content A through F. And all these content pages, they have like 1, 2, 3, and 4. And what those are for is pictures. So, and each one of them are different size. The smaller ones I think are 185 by 185. The larger ones here are 300 by 300, and the rectangle I think it's 560 by 200. It says it on the website, so you can see that. Most people are putting videos in these larger boxes, so just be aware of that. Now, and what happens is you get your layout pages here, and your content, what I just showed you, will go in these areas here where it says content. So let's get started. We got all our basic information together, so let's get started and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, I filled out most of this already, so um, basically what you do is you put your name, your email, your address, your phone number, um, your business name, and your website. The next thing down is a contract. Read through this contract. By leaving this check mark, it represents your electronic signature. It's uh, it's you know it's something we have to do. The next thing down here is asking you for the colors of your website. Every website is different. You have three options here. Either A, you can pick the colors from a color chart here. I'll open this up. I'll show you. It pops up there, and I'll show you how that works. And you click on it, and you can see the different colors and what have you. Let me X out of that. And you can put those three colors here if you want. Remember, all colors don't look good together, so just be warned. You can either, if you don't see colors that you like and you know of a website that you like, leave these two blank and fill out this bottom one and give us the website, and we can use those colors from that website that you like. Um, the next thing down is we ask people to give us information for their header. Now, most headers have a logo on it, a phone address, and so on and so forth. But here, let me just show you. Okay, this lady here, she's asked for her logo here. She asked for her phone number over here, and she wants people to know that she accepts Visa, MasterCard, and all that. And a few special things that she does, like canine training, pet sitting, and dog walking. Go back to the design center here. And so what you do is you fill them out. I picked logo, phone, and credit card. Now my logo has my name of my business in it, so I don't have to click that. The next thing down, it's asking you for a logo. If you have one, that's fine. If you don't, that's fine too. We can build one for you. We charge $150. Most people charge 500 and up. We give you three logo choices. You pick one of them, and we'll give you unlimited revisions on the one that you pick. So I already have a logo, so I'm going to put no, I already have one, and I'm going to list my logo here in the pictures. You remember that folder I told you to go to on the front page, excuse me, desktop. Here we go. That folder would be under project folder for me. Open that up, and I'm going to go find my logo picture, which would be, I would call it logo, which I don't know where I put it. Oh, there it is. Okay, and so that's done. The next thing you do is you pick your layout from below. I'll go down here and show you. You pick one of 8 layouts, and remember, when you pick your layout, it's not concrete. Once your website is finished, you can go back and you can change things if you like. It's a really nice setup. So I like layout 4, so I'm gonna go back up to the top there, and I'm gonna pick layout 4, which I already have. The next thing I do on my website, I want to know what widgets I want. I want a shopping cart on there. I like Facebook, so I'm going to put a Facebook on there. I'm going to put a language translator on there. And what this does is, if you're selling products overseas, it's a good thing to have this, because by a click of a button, they can switch it to your language. They can switch the website to any language they want. Um, I want an email collector. I want people to know when I'm adding stuff. Okay, and then you get up to 5, so pick any ones you want. The next thing down is we're asking for if you have a video or a commercial for your website, I want you to load it here, and I'll show you how to do that. Load the embed code anyway. So I'll go up to YouTube. There's a video here that I like. It's actually a nice video, and I hit embed, and once I hit embed, I right click and click copy, and I go back to my page and I hit paste. And now we have the video. If you don't know how to do that, just write down the web address where that video is at, and we'll know exactly what to put. Okay, the next thing down, next line down, is we ask for your 5 pages. Remember, you can get more pages if you like, but just give us a call and we can take care of that for you. But I pick my 5 videos, separate them by commas, and that way we'll know what to name your pages. So the next line down, we're going to actually start building the pages. So you go down and you pick a content layout. Now, content layout is different from a layout. It's down at the bottom. Now, content layouts are what your pages are going to look like. So you'll have a picture here, some text here, maybe a video here, and a couple pictures here that might link to somewhere, or you can pick any one of these, and every page can be different. So for the first page, I pick content layout A. And then I have to put my text in there. And remember, I said earlier, go get your text and from Microsoft Word, and you copy the text, right? There it is. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to open that page back. Well, I'm going to downsize this, and then I'm going to open the page back up and paste, right? And now I'm going to put my pictures in there. Remember, make sure your pictures are sized accordingly. So I'm going to picture 1, and I'm going to double click that. There you go. Picture 2, double click. Picture 3, double click. And picture 4 I'm going to leave blank, because I'm going to say place my video in picture box number 4 for my notes for that page. Now the rest of these pages are just like the first page. You just pick your content, copy your text, and then copy your pictures. Let's see, and then you put notes for that page, and the same thing, picture your content, your text, and your pictures. And then notes for that page, and then one more time, your content, your pictures, your text for that page, and your pictures. And then you get to your 5th page. Well, your 5th page is a content page, and a contact page. Now, you just want to put a little bit of text there, not a lot, and put one picture. It could be a picture of your building or anything that you want. And then what you do is you put notes for that. You could have notes such as I need email addresses and contact information, or whatever you want the sender to send to you so you can contact them. But do that, and that's pretty much it. It's very simple to do. It's just preparation is the key to making this thing fast. So that's all I have. If you need to call me to get some more for me to help you out, my number is right here, and give me a call. Okay, talk to you guys later. Bye bye.